Hello, first graders. I'm glad you came for a reading lesson today. Today we're going to talk about taking notes while you read, thinking about what you're reading. So we're going to use the book Sea Turtles today, one of our read alouds. And one of the reasons that I thought we might be able to use this is when I was reading this book as a read aloud to you, I noticed there were a lot of things in here that I didn't know about sea turtles. And I thought, maybe I could show the kids how to think about what they're reading by taking notes. So let's just do some practice today. All you'll need is a book. A fiction or nonfiction book will work just fine. Fiction is usually story, so a nonfiction book is usually what I use to take notes with because I want to remember facts and such, but either one is fine. And a post-it note pad, or if you don't have any sticky notes, then you can just use a regular piece of paper to take some notes. So let's get started. So here's our book, Sea Turtles by Gail Gibbons. And one of the things that as an author Gail Gibbons wanted you to know was she wanted you to know some special vocabulary words. So she's actually put them in a box and she's made it yellow to make sure that you can see that it's important. So one of the notes in here is fossil and paleontologist, and those are definitions for words for you. So I might write down fossil and then animal in rock. That's just a quick note. It's not exactly what that says, but that's just for me to remember when I'm looking back at my notes. And paleontologist is a scientist who studies fossils. Studies fossils. And I might just put that sticky note here on my page here. Another one of the notes that I noticed in here was this word scutes or scutes. I did not know this word. And it's the big scales on shells. And I'll just put that note there. One of the other cool facts in here, I read about a leatherback turtle. So the leatherback turtle is the biggest, and it can weigh over 1,000 pounds. So I'm going to write leatherback, 1,000 pounds. And I'm going to put an exclamation point there because that is a really kind of astounding fact. When I think of 1,000 pounds, I think of how much my car weighs or how much my dog weighs. My dog only weighs 125 pounds, and that is quite a bit of dogs. If I had 1,000 pounds of dog, that'd be a really big dog. This was cool here. Some turtles live to be 100. Another exclamation point. That connected with me because I used to know a person who was 100 years old, and she was a very interesting woman. So now let's go to the seesaw slide so I can show you what it is that you'll be doing today with your notes. On the seesaw slide today, all you're going to do is make sure you click the select tool and come up here. Tell me what was the title of the book you read. So my book would be Sea Turtles. And some of the notes that I took were a fossil is an animal in a rock. Now, it's not really an animal in a rock, but that was just helping me remember what it was. Another note that I might put over here is scutes are the shells that cover the carapace. And oops, I made a mistake in spelling. That's okay. Another note I might put here is that leatherbacks can weigh over 1,000 pounds. Woo! And my last note will say, turtles can live to be 100 years old. Okay, first graders. Your turn. Go find a book, take some notes, and go to the seesaw slide and tell me what you took some notes on. I want to see what you're thinking about. See you again.